Yeah, hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show what I am able to do today. So here is my working directory. So I have a virtual environment. Then I have a directory with name of data where I'm going to store all the PDFs which I want to test using my MCP server. And the output directory here we will get our output, or we can say extracted data from our PDF. Then I am using a SRC pipeline in my project, which holds three files like cleaning text, extract text from PDF, and parse. Here, exactly what we are doing. We are using optical image conversion, uh, and after this SRC pipeline, I have my MCP client.py and also MCP server.py. So looking at the server, I am not doing any fancy thing here, just trying to import and check if I am able to import the packages, and if not able to import, I am returning an error then for like good error handling. So that's why I have implemented this for all the dependencies. If we are not able to import any dependency, then we will get an error so that we avoid unnecessary debugging if we are facing some error related to our packages which we are using. Then I have declared my fast MCP server and again try and catch globes for Olama model Llama 2. Then these are some helper functions, and at last we have our MCP tools, one with the name of ingest PDF and second one with the name of query document. So ingest PDF will work exactly like we will expect a base 64 model format, and then we will ingest this in our ChromaDB, and after that we can query on it. So that's how I am approaching this problem. And if I open my cascade for testing my server, you can see that my server is up and running here, and we can see both the tools which I have defined here in my server, but not able to process. Like if I try to do, I'm facing some issues. Just first, let me minimize this. Okay, so let me add files and let's use sample PDF. Sample PDF. Okay, please ingest this document for me using our ingest document tool. And I am going also going to reference my MCP server tool here, and then I will hit enter button. So we can see that it is analyzing everything, and it is also giving me some suggestions that should uh, define another file which is able to convert our PDF to base 64 encoding. But still, I am facing issues after that because I have already tried it by creating this ingest PDF, but still facing some issues. So I am ignoring this from here, not using it. And moving forward, let me first start my MCP server. But I am not using my MCP server here by starting because it automatically brings up the MCP server if we want to utilize it tools. That's why I have not started it. So let me run with Python minus q MCP server.py. So minus u is here so that we clear all the caches regarding our previous runs of MCP server, because here I'm using a standard input and output, and in that case, this catching issue often comes. So that's the reason I am using minus U here. So we can see that my MCP server is up and running, and it will behave exactly same in this manner also. Okay, okay. Again, we will try to call our ingest PDF, pdf.py, and try to use this file to ingest our sample.pdf using our MCP tool. Yeah, exactly. This keeps returning this type of stuff again and again. But to like check if my code is working or not, I have developed a way. So I am closing this MCP server for now and using this main file where I can specify like which document I want to process. And let us take this PDF, and I'm going to copy the name of this PDF so I can use it to extract its data here. So I have provided the PDF path and I want to extract it with the name of MAYU left.json. Okay, we can see, and I am going to save this for now, and then will UV run main.py, and we will see that our process has begun, that extracting text from this PDF, starting text extraction, and it will soon start our text extraction from this PDF, and we will got some issue in text extraction here also. Let me run it using Python. Let us take some time, and in that time, I'm going to show you why I'm not able to test this everything using my MCP client, which is the code is here for MCP client. And because for testing it out, I need to run this Olama 2, which is our model which I'm using for client. And when I try to run this, we got this error that model requires more system memory than it is available on my system. So that's the issue, why I'm not able to test it. Oh, so we are facing some issue. So let me try it with some other PDF, the one from the NBA docs. Let's pick it up, copy this one, and I will take it to our MCP server and data. I will give it. Okay, let's rename it. Copy. Come here and update this path. And I'm going to save it. So maybe we are facing some issues because of the number of pages, and it's taking more time than expected. Now let's try to run this and try see if we able to extract data from this PDF. We can see the text extraction in the progress. So currently I have configured this to extract text from the PDFs which holds around 15 to 20 pages, and maybe this PDF is holding more pages than that. We can definitely configure it for the PDFs which is holding like more than 150 pages. So we can see that we got the data extracted from this PDF, and for each page we got a single string, and we can definitely give it to our LLM. If I am able to run my LLM on my system, then we can query on it. Thank you so much. That's all I am able to do.